Hi, Stephen here from Share Navigator. This is your day trading update and it's December the 3rd. Before I get started on the day trading, just want to have a brief mention of our short put strategy. This is a high probability strategy that we apply to indexes like the S&P 500. We have a statistical probability of about 80 to 90% of making a profit. Here's an example of a trade we placed about 2 weeks ago. It's up 2% in the value of the account, tax-free for residents of the UK and Ireland as well. And by the way, for the residents of the UK and Ireland, for a return-based strategy like this one, it makes no sense to do it in any other type of a platform bar a tax-free one. So if you need more information on that, please reach out via the website, the chat function, or WhatsApp me directly. So this should form nearly 50% of your betting, your spread betting account or your spread betting trading account. And because it's consistent income, we've got a 93% success rate on this strategy, and we end up managing 1 out of every 10 trades. So it's a much better stat than simply going long or short on currencies on a daily basis. So moving on to the currencies on a daily basis, we always check the news flow, what's coming out today. So you'll check your pieces of data. We've done a course on this, what you need to look out for before you even go and place a trade. So again, we'll put the link to that at the end of this video or in a card up in the top right. But moving on, just from here on in, I just want to share with you, we're going to issue alerts to the members WhatsApp group. And I just want to be clear what the alert means. It doesn't mean you go ahead and place the trade. What it means is the trigger for us to start getting interested in a currency pair for a short-term trade has been enacted. But the rest of the rules must be adhered to before you actually place the trade. And we've outlined them in greater detail in that course. It's a very brief course. We would suggest you go over it again and again. So our first alert is, RSI being over 70 or below 30 on a 15-minute window. And then after that, there's a set of rules that we look to before we actually engage the trade. And we would encourage you to look at those. So rather than doing a daily update, again, saying, we're actually just going to issue alerts now every day to the people on our WhatsApp group. Look, for example, we issued one this morning, euro dollar RSI is above 70. That doesn't mean you go and trade the euro dollar. It means you look at the parameters, go through the rules, the set of rules we've applied. And the reason we don't issue the trade as we trade them, because by the time we send that message out to you, the trade could be over. Literally, it could be over 15 minutes later, or by the time you even read the WhatsApp. So all we're going to do is alert you that, you need to, I suppose, start paying attention here. Make sure your rules are enacted, and then everybody will decide for themselves whether or not they place the trade. So that's what's going to come every day now, and for these day trading events is what we're talking about with the currency pairs and with gold. So we got another one, for example, here with the British pound versus the US dollar. We got another one with the euro versus, we can see here, we got RSI below 30. Issued alert, we would have waited here, so we triggered a trade here. So we're pretty much out of this trade already. So this is what we're talking about. You go in and you start doing your homework on that, and please remember the time. Just check the time on the WhatsApp message that you get versus the time you're looking at the chart, and go in for the chart yourself. And again, please go and have a look at that course. Okay, so as we see these alerts coming in, as we see opportunities starting to emerge, we will alert you, and then you'll go in and do your own due diligence. Okay, this is Stephen with your update for December 3rd. Thanks and bye for now.